Okay. The likelihood of assessing control risk too high relates to what? Now, do you understand what does it mean assessing control risk too high? Assessing control risk too high, it means I'm not going to rely on the control because their control risk is too high. They don't have a good internal control. That's what it means. The likelihood of assessing, remember we assess control risk. What is that going to do? That's going to relate to the effectiveness of the audit, or is it to the efficiency of the audit? Okay, let's walk through this logically. What happens if you think the control risk is high? The control risk is high. You are not going to rely on their control. What does that mean? It means you're going to do more substantive testing. It means you're going to increase your sample. You're going to do more work. You're going to audit more transactions. You're going to do more work. Well, what does that going to relate to? If you assess control risk too high, is it going to relate to the effectiveness of the control or to the efficiency of the control? Well, if you do more work, because you think the control risk is too high, that's going to affect the efficiency of the audit. It means you're doing more work. Maybe you don't have to do more work, but it relates to the efficiency. Now let's assume why it's not effectiveness, because if you do more work, you're going to be effective. The more work you do, the more effective you are, because you're looking at more samples. That's good. So it doesn't relate to your effectiveness, it relates to your efficiency. You're doing more work. Maybe you're not supposed to do more work because you assess the control risk too high. If you assess the control risk too high by mistake, you are less efficient. Therefore, the answer is B. You are still effective. Why? If you do more work, you're definitely effective because you're trying to catch everything you can catch.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.